Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Cloudinary Video Player in Nuxt to deliver customized video experience. We'll go through adding a basic video player to our Nuxt application, customizing the player with various props, reacting to player events, and applying transformations. For the demo, I have created this simple Nuxt free and Tailwind CSS application that has a header, a body with the video player, and a footer. The index.view page contains the code needed to render the video player from Cloudinary. Here we use the CLD video player component that accepts three mandatory props: src, width, and height. Once we have all those props, the video player will be correctly displayed on our website. To make the default Cloudinary video player more in line with our UI and design system, we can utilize various props for UI customization. Let's start with colors. The colors prop accepts an object with properties for accent, base, and text. After inspecting the page, we can see that indeed the colors of the player elements have changed. Next, let's imagine that we want to hide the default Cloudinary logo in the bottom right corner. We can do so by passing the prop logo and giving it a value of false. Let's see how it looks like in the browser. As we can see, the logo is no longer there. In some scenarios, you might need to react to the underlying Cloudinary Video Player events, such as displaying a notification that the video is started or paused. Let's take a look at how it can be implemented in our application. The CLD video player component accepts a method prop that will be fired once certain player event will be triggered. Let's add a console log once the play event will start. And let's do the same for pause event. Let's now inspect the browser, and more specifically the console tab. When we click the play and pause, the events are triggered and we can react to them accordingly. To make the experience even more customized, we can use Cloudinary transformations on the video element. Let's imagine that we want to add a smooth fade effect at the end of the video. To do that, we could utilize the transformation prop, and inside we will pass the raw transformation with the appropriate effect. Let's inspect the browser and see how it works. Let's review. You have learned how to use Nuxt Cloudinary Video Player component, how to customize its UI, how to react to player events, and finally, how to apply transformations. Check out Nuxt Cloudinary documentation about video player for more examples.